Hey everyone, welcome back to Success Zone. Today we're going to be talking about how I make $6,000 in Bitcoin automatically per day for free. Make sure you stay until number one so you don't miss out on a great way to make tons of money through Bitcoin. You'll be absolutely shocked. Number one, begin with a Bitcoin account. So, you want to start making some Bitcoin earnings. What is the first step needed in order to get started? Well, you're going to need your own Bitcoin wallet. Setting one up isn't as difficult as it may sound. It is actually quite simple. You can start off by going to the website Coinbase and setting up a Bitcoin wallet there. The best part is absolutely free to start. Once there, go to the top right of the page and click on Get Started, and then follow the instructions that are given. Another great website to set up a Bitcoin wallet is Blockchain. On this website, it is similar to Coinbase. You just click on that Get Started and fill out the form that you are redirected to. This is also a free process. Having trouble figuring out which wallet to choose? Well, head on over to bitcoin.com, and this will lead you to a form that you will complete in order to figure out which Bitcoin wallet website is going to work best for you. Make sure you chose a secure and legit wallet. Once you've got it set up, you're ready to move on to step 2. Number 2, go to Faucet Pay. First things first, after you created your account, you must connect to websites in order for you to earn money. The first website we're looking at is called Faucet Pay. You will want to connect to this website, so head on over to their page. Once you are on the website, click on the Sign Up button on the bottom of the page. It will then ask you for some credentials. Enter a username, email address, password, and then accept the terms and conditions. It truly is that simple. When entering your email address, make sure it is a working one, as they will be sending you a validation link to confirm your account. You will not be able to sign up to this website without validating your account. So now let's take a look at another website. Number 3, check out Express Crypto. Now you might want to make even more money now that you have a lot. So let's look at another crypto website. Go to Express Crypto. On the top right corner, you will see a sign up button. Click on that to get started. It will lead you to a page where you will enter credentials such as a username, email address, Bitcoin address, as well as choosing a password. If you are wondering what a Bitcoin address is, it is the address that came with your Bitcoin wallet. Your Bitcoin address is a series of random letters and numbers that are using both upper and lower case. Find that and enter it into the appropriate box when signing up to Express Crypto. So why do you need to link your Bitcoin wallet to all these websites? Well, that is how you will be passively receiving Bitcoin. You won't need to worry about the process at all, as it is all automatic. So let's move on to the next website that you will need to check out. Number 4, visit the Final Auto Claim website. Want to passively earn some income? It's time to check out some sites. These sites will get Bitcoin into your Bitcoin wallet that you set up without you having to do any of the work. The first website we're going to look at is called Final Auto Claim. Pay close attention to this step because it will be very difficult to navigate without knowing what to do. So once you get to this website, you will want to register. Simply click on the register button on the top tab of the website. Enter in your credentials just like all the other websites. You will need an active email address for this site because you will need to verify your account via an email that is sent to you. Once you've done everything correctly, you will be led to their home page. Now it is time to set up this process. Scroll down a bit and now we will select a few options. One option is a payment mode. You should already have your Express Crypto account set up, so select Express Crypto mode in the option. Now scroll down and it is time to select the currency that you would like to receive. There are a lot of currencies to choose from, but you will want to select Bitcoin with the abbreviation BTC. When you scroll down a bit more, you will need to complete a simple CAPTCHA. After that, click on the Start Auto Faucet. It will then lead you to a new page. Every 2 minutes, it will mine Bitcoin for you. You won't even have to continuously check in, as it will be directly sent to your account on Express Crypto. Super simple, right? So let's take a look at some other websites. Number 5, enter the Auto Faucet platform. Auto Faucet is one other platform that will get you to earn passively. This website is super simple to use, just like the last website. The concept is also quite similar. On this website, you will want to go to the top right side of the page and click on Sign Up. Then enter in your credentials in order to create an account. After you have done that, you will be able to access the website's dashboard. There are many options on the left-hand side of the website. You can access daily bonuses, games, and other options. This website is a little bit different than the other website because you will need to earn those Bitcoins. So how do you earn Bitcoin on this website? You will go back to the left-hand side of the website and click on either the Daily Bonus or Offer Walls button. You will then be directed to watch and complete surveys. This will help you earn tokens that allow you to mine Bitcoin on the site. Once you have enough tokens, you can convert them into Bitcoins. Now, this is all a background process, so you will not need to do any work in order to earn them. One important thing you need to note is that you will need to keep your browser open in order to have this process take place. Once you close the browser, the website will stop mining your Bitcoin. If you just keep it open, you will be earning money passively. So, we learned that this can be a great website to use when you want to easily mine Bitcoin, but what's another website? Well, we're going to move on to the next step to find out more. Number 6, access the AutoClaim website. AutoClaim is a great way for you to easily earn Bitcoin passively, like all the other websites mentioned earlier. Using this website, along with the other ones, is important because it will help you to earn as much as possible. So what you will want to do first is visit the AutoClaim website. On this website, just like all the other websites, you will want to look for the sign up button on the top right hand corner. Now click on that. It will lead you to a new page where you will have to enter your credentials. Make sure to add all the correct information, otherwise you won't be able to create your account. This website is pretty similar to the AutoFaucet website. You will be led to a dashboard where you will then have the chance to watch videos, complete surveys, and even play games. After completing these short and simple tasks, you will be able to use the rewards given to mine for your own Bitcoin. Again, this is all an automatic process, so you will not have to do any work. Just simply keep your browser on, and you will be earning a ton of Bitcoin in no time. It truly is that simple. Number 7, get right back to your Bitcoin account. What's next after you entered all these websites and earned a lot of Bitcoin? Well, after you feel satisfied with what you have done, you can head back over to the Bitcoin wallet that you have chosen to use and see your balance. You can see conversion rates to see how much Bitcoin is worth and estimate how much money you have made by mining Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be used to make transactions online anonymously, or you can trade with other cryptocurrencies. Additionally, if you would like to convert it into your country's currency, you can do so through your Bitcoin wallet's website. That way you can have all your passive earnings put into your bank account. Continue to use this process to earn an endless amount of Bitcoin and watch as your balance steadily rises over the next few days, weeks, months, and even years. It can really be that simple to earn, even if you didn't need to invest any money into it. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these other videos on your screen, and we'll see you there.